Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch.
Salutary, adjective, salutarily, salutariness, salutary, adjective, producing a beneficial or wholesome effect, promoting health or moral improvement, having a positive, helpful, or morally improving effect, a salutary lesson in humility, favorable to physical or mental well-being, the salutary effects of exercise, remedial or corrective in nature, a salutary warning against reckless behavior. Salutary, beneficial or helpful effect. The defeat proved salutary, teaching the team the value of preparation. Regular meditation has salutary effects on mental clarity and stress reduction. The new policy had a salutary impact on workplace morale. His criticism, though harsh, was ultimately salutary for her growth. Salutary, promoting moral improvement. The scandal served as a salutary reminder of the dangers of corruption. Exposure to diverse cultures can have a salutary influence on one's worldview. The judge's stern warning was intended to be a salutary lesson. Salutary, remedial or corrective. The economic downturn provided a salutary check on reckless spending. The near accident was a salutary wake-up call about distracted driving. Salutary, pertaining to greetings, obsolete sense, rare. The ambassador exchanged salutary formalities before the negotiations. The reforms acted salutarily on the struggling economy. The salutariness of his advice became evident over time. Key tips for test takers, TOEFL, SAT, GRE, GMAT. 1. Likely question formats. Synonym selection. Salutary versus beneficial, wholesome, therapeutic, edifying. Antonym selection. Salutary versus harmful, deleterious, pernicious. Sentence completion. The doctor emphasized the blank effects of a balanced diet. Answer: salutary. Analogies. Salutary is to harmful as constructive is to destructive. Opposite relationship. 2. Common confusables. Salutary versus salubrious. Both mean helpful, but salubrious is more narrowly tied to physical health. Salutary versus sanitary, related to cleanliness, not benefit. Salutary versus therapeutic, focused on healing rather than general improvement. 3. Relevant idioms or proverbs. Adversity can be a salutary teacher. Hardship leads to improvement. Truth, though bitter, is salutary. Honesty, even when painful, is beneficial. 4. Test-taking strategies. TOEFL likely appears in health or science or self-improvement passages. SAT or GRE, common in vocabulary in context questions. Watch for positive outcomes. GMAT, possible in critical reasoning, for example, arguments praising a policy's salutary effects. tone clues. If a passage highlights improvement or moral growth, salutary may fit. Final note: salutary is high value for advanced tests. Focus on its positive connotation and contrast with negative synonyms.